Well, good morning, everyone. This is Jamie Silver with Herf Jones. Hope that this finds you well today. For today's podcast, I wanted to share a couple quick demonstrations to hopefully help make creating pages easier for you. The first one is applying templates, and the second one is creating your own templates in the library. So I'm going to get started here with a quick video on applying templates from the Herf Jones collection.
In this tutorial, we'll look at how to apply a template to a spread in eDesign. Most of the templates in eDesign are double-page designs, and applying the template requires that you have both the left and right page open for editing. To access templates inside of Page Design, click the template icon on the library panel shown here. You can use the scroll bar along the right to scroll up and down in the template library. To place a template on the spread, click, drag, and drop the template anywhere in the design area, and the template will be applied. I'm going to choose Edit Undo to remove the template that I just placed. If you would like to see a template at a larger size, click the magnifying glass icon to open up the Preview window. In Preview, you can scroll through the template library by using the left and right arrow buttons. You can also apply templates from the Preview window. Just click, drag, and drop on the design area. To close Preview, click on the X in the upper right corner. If you apply a template and immediately decide that it is not what you want, the easiest way to remove it is to choose Edit Undo right after applying the template. Or you can go to the Edit menu and choose Select All, then hit the Delete key on your keyboard to get rid of the template. If you drag a template and drop it on a spread that already contains design elements, you will receive this message. The message relates to an eDesign feature called Smart Template, which is covered in a later tutorial. If you receive this message and you would like to swap the new template for the old template, click Yes. The new template will replace the old one. You will also see this clipboard panel appear. This relates to the Smart Template feature. In this case, you can just click the X to close the clipboard panel. And that's the basics of applying templates in eDesign.
So I hope you found that helpful. Again, we have a ton of templates there for you. If you'd like to use them, you simply drag and drop as you saw Mark do. The Smart Template feature lets you swap in different templates for the old one, and even if you have pictures on there and you just want to see how the design will look with a different template, you can drag and drop and it will maintain all your photos. If there's any extras, say there's a different number of pictures on one template versus the next one, that clipboard that you saw will show those two and let you drag and drop remaining pictures where you'd like. So great feature to help, automate and quickly get pages done. With that said, this next demonstration I want to share with you is more about making your own templates and how to save them.
Templates can be created by customizing one of the Herf Jones templates to suit your book's design, or by creating your own template from scratch. Let's say I like this layout as a starting place for some collage pages in the yearbook. I then changed the color of the graphics, and I added a text frame for a headline. Now, to save this as a template for use on other pages, I just go to the File menu and choose Save as Template. The adjusted design will now appear in my template library, and I can apply it to other spreads in my book. You can also create a layout from scratch and save it as a template. Let's say I wanted to create a design that could go on my index pages. I'll use the rectangle tool to create a large frame in the background. I'll place in an image of the school, change the image to black and white, and apply some transparency. I'll now use the rectangle tool to create a sidebar graphic and give it a blue fill. I'll use the rectangle tool to create some more frames, give them a white stroke, and rotate each one slightly. Now that the design is ready, I'll go to the File menu and choose Save as Template. Now I can use this template to design my index pages so that they will be set when the advisor and editor are ready to flow in the index text. That's the basics of creating custom templates for your yearbook.
So I hope you found that helpful. Again, it's a great way to either use our stuff as it is, you're more than welcome to do so, or change it as much or as little as you'd like to make it fit your needs, and then save it as your own. The beauty of saving as your own is you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Say in Mark's example there, if you want to reuse it on another page of the yearbook, but also you have the ability to save things forward. So say we've got next year's yearbook all set up for you now. You're actually able to save stuff that you do right now. Say you create a template that works for a certain section of your yearbook this year. And the best idea to do this before you put pictures in, because with those gray boxes, you can actually save that forward and be way ahead for next year. So hope that helps just kind of planning for next year and getting your work done this year. If there's any suggestions or anything you'd like to see in this podcast, please let me know. Otherwise, have a great week, and I look forward to talking with you soon. Thank you.